Hello Year 1, welcome to today's maths lesson, okay? We're going to be continuing with our unit on money, okay? So let's have a little look at today's Learning Ladybird. Identify and add together different types of coins, okay? So we've looked at some of the smaller coins, the 1 cent, the 2 cent, the 5 cent, etc., okay? Today we're going to be looking at some different types of money, okay? So we're going to be looking at some notes and some bigger coins, the €1 and the €2, okay? And the skills we're going to need to be a successful spider, we need our addition skills, okay? So counting from 0 to 100, adding up together. And to help us, to make life easier, we're going to use our times tables, okay? And then we're also going to be doing a little bit of design, okay? We're going to be doing some drawing, some cutting, okay? So it's going to be quite fun. So the idea of today's lesson is we're going to make our own money, and then you can use it. I've still got my number line on the wall here. You can use it on your number line to help you, okay? So let me just pause this video for now. Okay, Year 1, so the first thing we need to do is we need to make the money that we're going to use, okay? So I'm thinking we've got a €5 note, we have a €10 note, we have a €20 note, and we have a 50, okay? So let's make 2 of each. So we're going to do... Okay, there's my 5s. So you can do this at home too, okay? So we're drawing some nice rectangles, and we need 2, 4, 6, 8. We need 8 rectangles, okay? So that's your first task. Okay, they don't need to be perfect. But okay, right. So I have 8 rectangles. Let me check. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so in the first 2, I'm going to do 5, okay? 5 what? £5? $5? No, €5, okay? So it's really important we do the euro sign, which is a curly cut with 2 lines through it. Okay, now next we're going to do the 10, okay? 2 €10 notes. Okay, next we're going to do the €20 notes. And finally, the 50. Okay, Year 1, you can also colour them in, okay? But make sure you colour the 5s in the same colour, the 10s the same colour, the €20 notes the same colour, and the 50, okay? Finally, what I want you to do now is I want you to draw 4 circles. Okay, and we're going to have 2 €1, and we're going to have 2 €2 coins, okay? And then I'm going to colour them in. I think the gold on the outside and a silver colour on the inside, but I'm just going to call them yellow, okay? Fantastic. Right, the next task is to... Okay, year one, I've cut mine out. So now put them in order. Smallest to biggest, okay? So obviously, the 1 is the smallest, the €1, then the 2, then 5, 10 is bigger than 5, 20 is bigger than 10. Okay, right, now we're just going to do a little warm-up activity. Okay, year one, it's time to practice our times tables, okay? Because when we're adding things together, our times tables can help us. So if it's 30, add 5, 35, okay? Like 30, 35, 40. If it's 50, add 10. Okay, we know that from our times tables. 50, 60, 70, okay? So 50 add 10 is 60. So let's go through, okay? We're gonna start with our 2s, then our 5s, then our 10s, okay? So let's do our 2s, ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Okay, right? Let's do our 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay, right? If you want to keep going, pause the video, keep going, go all the way to 100 and go back down, okay? That's what I like to do. Right, now let's just do our 10s, okay? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, let's finish there. You can practice them with your siblings. If you have a little brother or sister, you could teach it to them. Okay, or practice it with your older brother and sister, or with your parents, okay? Right, now for the main activity, I'm just going to pause the video, get everything set up. So make sure you're listening and paying attention. Okay, right, year one, what we're going to do is we're going to play shopping, okay? So, what I want you to do is I want you to make these price tags. Okay, we've got €3, €27, €15, and €80, okay? So we're going to play shopping. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find some things around my house. Maybe my bike, maybe my ukulele, okay? I'm going to put a price tag on each of them. And then I'm going to figure out how much I need, okay? I'm just going to shut my door because I think there's someone mowing the grass outside and it's really loud. Okay, right, sorry about that. So yeah, find some things around your house, make these price tags, put the price tags on them, and then maybe play with your mom and dad, play on your own, play with your brothers or sisters, and use the money, okay? Use your number line to help you, okay? So if something is €27, you could find 27. Okay, we're going to use a €20 note, so we're at 20. Let's use a €5 note, we're at 25. Let's use a €2, 1, 2, we're at 27. Okay, so to make 27, we need the €20, the €5, and the €2, okay? Okay, year one, I've priced up some things in my house. I've got the ukulele at €80. I've got my pineapple, of course, at €3. I've got my bubble bath at €15. It's worth it. And I've got my bike at €27. Okay, what a bargain. So you can use the same. You can use mine, okay, or you can use your own. It's completely up to you, year one. If you want to use your toys, anything in your house, that's fine. If you don't want to and you just want to use mine, that's perfect, okay? Right, now I'm going to show you how to set it up in your book. Okay, right, year one, so this is how you should set it up in your book, or if you're working on paper, something like this, okay? So I had my pineapple at €3, so I done a picture of a pineapple, €3, put the price tag on, and I'm just going to do 2 examples for you, and I've got the ukulele at €80, so I put the price tag on, okay? Now we need to use these coins, okay, and notes to match the price, okay? So I think if you use your number line, that can really, really help you, okay? So let's start with a really easy one, okay? €3, okay? How can we make 3? Do we have a €3 note? No. Do we have a €3 coin? No. So we need to use a mixture of these to make 3, okay? And we know that 2 plus 1 equals 3, okay? So we can put that there. So that one is done. Give yourself a tick. I'm going to give myself a tick. Yeah, I've got that right. Okay, get your parents to check. Get your older brothers and sisters to check. Your grandparents, whoever you're with, okay? Right, next one. €80. Ooh, it's a little bit complicated, okay? 80 is a big number. So we need to start with a big note, okay? So we're going to go with 50. I think I'm going to use the number line to help us with this one, okay? I'm going to pause the video and use the number line. Okay, year 1, I've put the ukulele in my shopping basket, okay? So the ukulele was €80. So we need to find 80. 60, 70, 80. Okay, right. So now we need to use our notes to see how we can get to 80, okay? So let's start with our biggest one, okay? Which is a 50. So the 50 goes on 50, okay? That's our starting point. There we go, €50. Okay, we still need to get from 50 to 80, okay? Let's try another big note. Let's try 20. Okay, so now we're going to add 20. So you could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but that would take a long time, okay? We know that 20 has 2 10s in it. 10 and 10 is 20. So let's add 10. Takes us to 60. Let's add another 10. Takes us to 70. Okay. Ooh, we still need to get from 70 to 80. Wait a minute. 70 to 80, isn't it in our 10 times tables? 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. It is, yeah. So we know to get from 70 to 80, we only need to add 10. So the notes we need are, to make €80, we need a 50, a 20, and a 10. Okay, and this is how you set it up in your book. So I got that right, so I'm going to give myself another big tick. Okay, year 1, have fun with this, okay? If you want to challenge yourself, use different numbers to mine, okay? You don't have to do 4, you could do 10, okay? Have fun with it. Let me know how you get on. You can send me pictures, send me videos, whatever you want. I'm really looking forward to it. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. And that's goodbye from me.